Hey singers, boost your vocal resonance in just 2 minutes with this super quick vocal hack. All you need is your voice and the willingness to make some crazy funny faces, but we're going to basically be buzzing like a bee. So I really want you to play around with this buzzing bee sound, really just moving it around your face, your lips, your cheeks, and your nose. And I know it may seem a little bit silly, but it is so good for freeing up your voice. Not only does it warm up your voice, but it really helps you to find that natural resonance. So do this before singing and you're going to notice so much more of that ring and richness in your vocal tone. Okay, so let's just do the exercise a few times.
So remember, you're training your voice's overtones by engaging your resonators. Play around with the sound. It should feel 100% relaxed and not forced. Just really feeling the vibrations.
So by doing this exercise, you're training your voice's overtones by engaging your resonators, and this results in singing being more powerful and resonant without strain, just by buzzing around. So try making this part of your daily vocal warm-up. Track your tone over a week, and I bet you you're gonna notice a more richer resonance. That's pretty much it for the exercise for this video, but if you liked it, then like it, subscribe, and hit that notification bell and share it with anyone you feel is going to find it beneficial. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.